Hi, my name is Madalina and in today's video I have another DIY for you. I've been wanting to do this for a really long time, and as you can see by the thumbnail, there are gonna be some letters made out of flowers. And for today's video I'll use two different types of filling for the letter and see which one is better. One of them you have to buy it, one of them you probably have it in the house from like electronics that you bought or something like that. So let's get started. For one letter, I'll use green foam for flowers that you can steal from your mom, and for the other letter, white foam for packaging from your dad's TV box. A bunch of different fake flowers, cardboard, a pen, a ruler, and this cutting tool or scissors, and additional wrapping paper, duct tape, and stapler. For the letter M, I will try to make a cardboard frame, and because it has 4 centimeters edges already, I will use them. First, I will outline how big my letter will be, and I want to make it 20 centimeters tall. Then I will start with 2 sides of the letter. For the width of the sides, I will keep the 4 centimeters and the bottom 5 centimeters. You try to explain this better, because I have no idea how. Then I decided to make it easier for myself and cut off the rest of the box, and like a headless chicken, I started to cut the rest without thinking. I need to make 4 floppy sides and leave some extra cardboard so I can staple it together. And now I can cut it. This is the cardboard frame, and bam! I also used some clear tape to hold the sides of the cardboard together. And this is my first letter. Not bad, I would say. What do you think? The second letter will be a P, and I will need to cut this in 4 because it's too big for what I want. I will use toothpicks from the bottom of my trusty cat to fix the phone in place.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff.
I put duct tape around it so the foam doesn't break, and this cool wrapping paper that I used for the other letter too.
I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Okay, so that was it. I hope you enjoyed it. I have a lot more DIYs prepared for you. Some of them are small, some of them are big. I am not the best one in doing this, but I'm just trying because I'm just bored. Anyway, you can also find me on Instagram. Just go and have a look, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!